Hi, good day. My name is Joel Sam, and today I would like to demonstrate to you how to install and configure Dhcp. Now, Dhcp stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. This is a network protocol that allows a server to automatically assign IP addresses to its client's computer from a defined range of number, which is called a scope. Now I'll go about demonstrating to you how to install and configure Dhcp. So you want to log into your Windows Server 2008. Then you will click the start icon and click Server Manager. And then you click Roles. Then you click Add Roles. Then you click Next. And here you want to check Dhcp server. Then you want to click Next after that. Then you will click the option Next again. And as you can see, it automatically pick up your IP address and the IP version 4. So then you click Next again. And here you will see your parent domain and your preferred DNS server IP version 4 address. And here you just want to validate it. And then click the option Next. And you'll click the option Next again. And here you'll want to add the scope or the range of IP addresses. So you click Add. So you will give it a scope name. So you could go ahead and name your scope. I'll name mine Joel IP scope. And here you will want to put a starting IP address. So you can go ahead and put it. I'll put mine 192.168.0.10. And here you also you have to put the ending IP address. I'll put 192.168.0.16. And here you'll want to put in your subject mask, which is 255.255.255.0. After you add into that, you will leave the default gateway as is, and you want to ensure that that this box is checked. And then you click the option Next, OK. And then you click Next. You want to disable Dhcp IP version 4. Version 6. Then you click Next. And here you want to ensure that you use the current credential since we are using the administrator account. And then click the option Next again. And here that you will want to verify that you have typed in everything properly. And after double checking, you will then click Install. So this may take a little while, so I'll pause and wait until it's finished. So the installation has finished. So you'll want to close all these tabs and restart your machine. So you restart your machine about now. Click OK and allow your machine to restart. Okay, and here you just want to log back into your machine, which is Windows Server 2008. Okay, after the server has restarted, you want to close this icon, then click the start icon, administrative tools, and Dhcp. Also close this one too, and maximize this one. So then you want to click server.joel.com, then IP version 4, then you want to click scope and address pool. And as you can see, we could see our starting IP address and our ending IP address. And then we'll check this address leashes. And as you can see, we don't have any client IP address as yet. But in order to do this, we'll have to go into Windows Vista. Then click this icon here, Network and Sharing Center. Then go into Network and Sharing Center. Then you want to go into Manage Connection. Then you'll click Local Area Connection, then Properties. And here you'll want to ensure that the version 4 is checked and the version 6 is unchecked. So then select the IP version 4 and then Properties. And here we want to allow our IP address to be automatically obtained rather than statically obtained. So click Automatically Obtained, then click OK. Then you close this. So that you'll come back on local area, right click, status, details, and as you can see that our IP version was automatically obtained from the scope that we had created earlier on, which is our starting IP address 192.168.0.10, and so therefore it is working. So we'll close all this. So now we'll go in Windows 7 and do the same thing. So we want to jump across to Windows 7, then go in Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center again. Then you will click Change Adapter Settings. Then you will right click on Local Area Connection, click Properties. So after that, we'll then select the IP version 4, then Properties, and then we'll obtain an IP address automatically rather than statically. and click OK, and then close. Created. So then we will check status and details. And as you can see, our IP version 4 address is the next one after the starting address, which is 192.168.0.11. So that we'll close this. And then we'll want to go back into our Windows Server 2008. And we'll log back in. And as you can see that the address leases is still currently empty, but we'll want to refresh it. And as we can see, we have our client IP addresses now from Windows 7 and Windows Vista. Okay, that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes the installation and configuration of Dhcp. I hope this was helpful, and please hit the like or subscribe button below, and please do look forward for other videos. Thank you for your undivided attention.